In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor the polynomial 60x plus 45x squared plus 20. Since this polynomial is not written in descending order, I'm going to rewrite it first of all so that I will be able to see any patterns more easily. I'm going to write this as with the x squared term first, 45x squared, then the x term plus 60x, and then the constant term. Now the next thing I do is to check to see if there are any common factors. And there are. There's a common factor of 5, so I'll factor a 5 out. And I have inside the parentheses 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Inside the parentheses I now have a trinomial, 3 terms. Before I would try to factor it any other way, I check to see if it could be a perfect square trinomial. It will be a perfect square trinomial, first of all, if 2 of the terms are squares, and I see that 2 of them are squares, 9x squared and 4. And the third term has to be twice the product of that. 9x squared is 3x, that quantity squared. And 4 is 2 squared. The middle term then needs to be 2 times 3x times this 2, twice 3x times 2. Well, 2 times 2 times 3 is 12, and that is what I need. So I do have a perfect square trinomial, and if I have that, I can factor it directly as 3x from here plus 2 squared. Since 3x plus 2 cannot be factored any further, I have factored the polynomial completely.